When signing in to DriveLinQ, if you accidentally press the button that says Other below where it says PIN, this will reset the app and render it useless to you. In order to fix that, we would select Sign Up as a driver. We would press Verify. We would enter the 10-digit phone number that you have on file with Columbus Yellow Cab. Then we would enter our vehicle number. We would enter our PIN, being careful not to press the button that says Other. Then we would select Sign In. Once we get signed in, we need to update the app because when the Other button was pressed, it clears the app's configuration. In order to update the app, we would press the menu key in the upper right, the 3 horizontal lines. We would scroll down to Configuration. We would press About. And at the lower right portion of the screen, there's a button that says Config Check. We would press the Config Check button, and we will be notified that the application is being updated. We'll give the app about 60 seconds to complete the update process, and then we will close DriveLinQ and restart it for the changes to take effect. The way that we'll close the app is to swipe up from the bottom of the screen slightly, select the square. On some phones it's on the right, on other phones it's on the left, but it'll be in the shape of a square. We'll press that, and then we can scroll through Open Apps. What we'll do is we'll just swipe up to close DriveLinQ, and then we will restart it, sign in, and you'll be good to go back to work. Thanks for watching.